Have you ever thought about how veterans can hack the housing market? I'm going to talk about a strategy today that not everyone talks about. Hey everyone, Ray Williams, Mortgage Meister Group. I'm going to talk about a super exciting topic that's not just beneficial, but potentially life-changing for our veterans out there that are getting into homeownership. You don't want to miss out. So here's the deal. You've probably heard of house hacking, but did you know you can do it with a VA loan as well with this VA house hacking strategy? I've got a bonus tip for you as well. But before I get to that question, how would you like to maximize your investment in owning a home? What is VA house hacking? Well, it's a strategy where veterans use their VA eligibility to buy a 2 to 4 unit property, living in one unit, renting out the others. Why is this a game changer? Because it enables our veterans to essentially live for less than or even free while building equity in a property. Imagine having tenants pay off your mortgage. So how can you start? It begins with understanding your VA loan benefits, guys. Identifying the right property, and it's crucial to have an experienced lender who can kind of help guide you on both of those components, finding the property and the VA eligibility component as well. And that's where we come in. Now remember, at the start, I talked about the bonus. Here it is, location, location, location. Choose a property in a growing community where you identify commercial building happening, where you identify that there is going to be consistent rental income. You can do this online. You can search for what's going on in your community, what's being built, what businesses are opening. If you see a lot of vacancies with commercial, that is a sign to be careful of. From my veterans out there, like myself, thank you for your service. If you found this interesting, make sure to subscribe. And also on my website, mortgage-maestro.com, there is a blog about this topic to help you further your knowledge about house hacking. See you next time.